This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Jarrett McNeil. This stunning 2-story home features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, laundry room, and an office. This home is on a double lot and has been completely renovated inside and out. Walk into this open floor concept with brand new vinyl flooring throughout. The kitchen has been completely remodeled with brand new quartz countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances and a huge island. Want a list of upgrades? Love walk-in closets? This home features 4 bedrooms with HUGEE walk-in closets. Home has brand new roof, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, water heater, windows, and vinyl siding. Home is move-in ready and ready for your personal touches. This home is in the heart of st. Petersburg and a short drive to Tropicana Field, downtown and our famous beaches. Schedule your showing to rent today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jarrett McNeil at 727-422-0922.